What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I am coming at y'all with a nice little holiday treat. It's simple and sweet. Bars. And so I'm gonna show you how to make a gluten-free truffle. So shout out to all the gluten-free people out there. I got you. Okay, I just want to give a disclaimer that truffles are extremely decadent and this recipe is no exception. So just, prepare your sweet tooth and also prepare your toothbrush because you're gonna need it after this. All right, y'all. You already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're gonna do is take your gluten-free Oreos and you're gonna empty the entire package into a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can do like I'm doing and mix them into your Vitamix or blender. So if you use a food processor, it may come out as a fine dust. Otherwise, it'll come out similar to what you're gonna see on screen, like a nice thick dough. So I'm just emptying that into a separate bowl and then taking my plain vegan cream cheese, and I'm using about half a container, and then I'm gonna mix like your workout depends on it, because that's exactly what's gonna happen. You want to make sure that everything is well combined before you take a regular tablespoon and roll it out into some balls and set them on a parchment paper lined tray. Set them in the freezer for a couple of minutes. Now I just melted down some icing to see if I could make truffles this way, and then I also did a more traditional style where I'm taking some vegan baking chips, adding a little bit of coconut oil, popping it in the microwave for 30-second increments until I get this glossy, nice, smooth consistency. And then again, covering my truffles, and then I'm gonna lay them back on the parchment paper, put them in the fridge to set before putting them on a plate and serving to enjoy. Be sure to let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below.